morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today, we will look at two special shaped butterfly patterns I bought on Amazon from HaiMay in June 2021. I was wandering through the closet, attempting to clean and organize, when I ran across these special shaped butterflies. And this kit of two butterflies brought back good memories. This kit was one of my first special shaped kits. The butterflies are much bigger than I remembered. They have bold colors and fun shapes. Unfortunately, this exact pack of special shaped butterfly patterns wasn't still available when I checked Amazon in May of 2024. But I did find a link for a similar special shaped pattern for one of the butterflies from a company called MXJSUA for $8.98. Let's look at the pattern. I bought this pack of two special shaped butterfly patterns on Amazon from HaiMay for $14.99 on June 21st, 2021, and it was delivered 2 days later. Both patterns are 40 centimeters by 50 centimeters, or about 16 by 20 inches. The top special shaped butterfly, Butterfly A, is labeled 1012. This butterfly has 15 special shapes. I completed it in 11 hours, working on it from July 4th to July 6th, 2021. The bottom butterfly, Butterfly B, is labeled LP018. This butterfly has 11 special shapes. I completed it in 13 and a half hours, working on it from August 29th to August 31st, 2021. Neither legend shows DMC equivalents. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. I love working on special shaped patterns. Look at all these fun special shaped diamonds. I worked on these early in my diamond painting crafting days, so these wonderful patterns were especially fun. Both patterns make it look like the butterflies are floating outside the frame. And even after all this time, about 3 years, the diamonds still stick. Do you like the bright colors and the fun shapes? What do you look for when you're in the mood for special shaped patterns? Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.